everybody, and welcome. Today's video we're going to be unboxing my paid for premium box for October. I'm pretty excited about it. So anyways guys, if you are interested to see what is in my Boxycharm premium box for October, make sure to stay tuned. But as always, before we jump into the video guys, let me try and hide my black bra straps. Okay, all right, well, if you're new here, hi, hello, and welcome. My name is Rhonda, and over here we always embrace the hot mess, and it is a judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone where I'm always uploading videos for you guys over here, as well as on my second channel, HotmessMomMAMD Vlogs. I'm over on Instagram as well as on TikTok. I'm all over the place, so make sure to follow me on Instagram, TikTok, my second channel, wherever it may be. There's also a giveaway going on right now on this channel, so I will give you the information at the end of the video. But today, like I said, is all about the unboxing of my premium box for the Boxycharm October paid for. I don't know, I'm rambling. Let's go ahead and jump on in. Like I said, this is the premium box. You do get to customize one item in this box. It is $35 a month. It is a monthly subscription, and you will receive at least $175 worth of goodies in here. Now, I think I know obviously of the item that I chose, and I think there's like one other item here that is a guarantee that everybody was getting. I'm not for sure, I've not opened it, but I am gonna go ahead and weigh this on my mail scale because I know a lot of you guys are very interested to know what the weight of the box is. So it comes to 2 pounds, 2.2 ounces on my little mail scale here. So okay, let's go ahead and jump in. Now the one item I did, I am 100% sure that I am getting is the Kosas foundation thingy. I can't remember. Yep, and here she is. This is the Tinted Face Oil. This is what it is, and I did get the shade 5.5. So we'll see how that goes. I'm pretty intrigued by this. I'm very, very curious. Look, I jumped right in and I didn't even look for the card. Here's the card. Okay guys, so you guys know the drill. Every single month there is a card or a theme to the boxes. This month across the board, the theme has been Candy Shop. And like I said, the first item I pulled out is by Kosas, which by the way, Kosas, we actually saw some of the blushers and stuff in add-ons for November, which add-on is probably closed by now, so just ignore me. Anywho, a little information about the Kosas Tinted Face Oil Foundation. It has a retail value of $42. Now, again, this box is $35. That's it. $35. So I have already made my money back as far as that goes. This is a clean, featherweight, light coverage foundation. It's hydrating skin elixir with application that takes as little as 10 seconds for the breathable formula to even the skin tone. It minimizes pores and erases imperfections while supporting skin health. And I want to say Kosas is a clean brand, right? Hold on, I forgot. I thought I turned my phone on silent. Apparently I did not. So I'm really excited to try that out. Like I said, make sure you're following me over on Instagram because I have been a lot better about posting like makeup looks and stuff over there. The next item I see in here is by Bodyography. This is the 2-pack of eye pencils. Okay, so these are the types of like sharp pencil sharpener kind, which I don't mind. Oh, okay, and that seems like it's going to be nice and smooth gliding across. One is in Onyx, this one is in Black Walnut. Oh, that's pretty. So this is like a deep chocolate brown, and the other one is a black shade. I'm not mad about that because I always put a dark, like today I have like a walnut brown shade on my tight line, and then on my waterline I always do a nude color. So not mad about those at all. Hopefully they apply just as easily to my eyes. So a little information about this. This does have a retail value of $16. They're super smooth, coconut oil infused pencils. They glide on without dragging at the delicate skin around the eyes. These pencils are rigid enough to provide a crisp, clean line, yet can easily be smudged. So I like that. And like I said, Oh yeah, those actually do feel nice and creamy. So I'm not mad about the colors whatsoever. They're actually colors that I will for sure use. Oh my gosh, I did not know this was going to be in a box. This is the Kosas Sport Lip Fuel Hyaluronic Lip Balm. What? I did see this actually as add-ons too, and I was kind of curious about it. This says it has an $18 retail value. It's ultra hydrating hyaluronic acid lip balm, delivering advanced lip care powered by active botanicals that transports you to a sports state of mind. Oh my gosh, how nice is that? Oh, what is this? This is the go-to exfoliating Swipeys, foolproof exfoliating pads for glowing skin. I saw this in add-ons and I was very, very curious about it. I may just go back and try them out because this was an add-on. Foolproof exfoliating pads for glowing skin. I don't know anything about this go-to skincare brand. These single-use exfoliating pads soaked in all-natural solutions get rid of dead skin cells and hydrate the skin. The well-documented effectiveness of lactic acid, the most gentle of all AHAs, is combined with ultra-hydrating essential oils to create a face exfoliator that thoroughly removes dead skin cells, refines skin textures, minimizes the appearance of fine lines, and deeply moisturizes. Retail value $35. I'm kind of curious about this. It smells nice. So this is what it looks like. I haven't been showing you guys up close. I'm like the worst. I like just ransack through everything and get over excited. So I will definitely try those out. You guys know I like those types of facial pads. I do use oh my gosh. Wow. Okay, I forgot about this. This is the Murad Hydrating Toner. Yes, I completely forgot what I was talking about. I was not expecting this whatsoever. I'm not mad about this because if you guys watch Brett, Glam Guy, which I'll leave his channel link down below, he said how amazing this stuff is. This is, like I said, the Murad Hydrating Toner. He definitely recommends this, so I'm excited for sure about getting this. This has a retail value of $35. It's ultra hydrating, alcohol-free toner, instantly balances skin's natural pH while lifting impurities to enhance the benefits and treatments to follow. Sodium PCA helps replenish lost moisture, while chamomile and cucumber extracts soothe the skin. Happy to have this in my box. And again, this is the paid for box. This is $35. This product was $35. I think this one was a $35 product. So, I mean, I've already made my money back for sure. Okay, so the last item in here that I'm like 99% sure that everybody will be receiving is the Illuminati times Issa, I think, Glam Palette by Isabel Bedoya, I think is how you say it. So this is what the palette looks like, and I have been very excited about this. I was hoping, like, I'm like 99% sure everybody received this palette. Yeah, just ignore me, guys. It's fine. It's a Monday when I'm filming this. Oh, I just dented it, darn it. Ooh, Purple Dream has got me. I gotta touch it. That's gotta be a duo. Oh, maybe it's a topper. That didn't, oh, it did. There it is. Yeah, that reminds me of like a Huda Beauty topper. That's pretty. That's a duo for sure. Let's see if we can swatch that. It kind of reminds me of my nail polish, guys. Can you guys see that? You see how similar that looks to my nail polish? That's so cool. Ooh, that's really pretty. What is this? Is this a glitter? Oh, that's like a pressed glitter. It's called Izzy. Oh, that's pretty. I don't wear a lot of these, but I would wear this one because it's very much, I like that majority of it just came right off, swatched pretty well, and I think it would look really pretty on the lids, like especially like kind of like with this copper look that I have on right now. So I'm not mad about this. I feel like this is definitely a palette that I'll get use from. So let's do this 1996. Ooh, that is a gorgeous yellow. Let's put her, oh, I like it that. I like that a lot. How gorgeous is that? Okay, so this palette does have a retail value of $48. It says Illuminati Cosmetics has collaborated with Isabel Bedoya, I think is how you say it, her name, for the ultra versatile palette. Create an evening glam look or a perfect daytime look. The shades range from pastels to bright color neutrals. There's a look for every person. $48 retail value. So here is an up close of the palette, and I have to agree, I feel like yes, there's some pops of colors in here that may be a little bit on the scary side for some, but at the same time you can definitely create a simple, you know, neutral type of eye look without being too scary. You know what I mean? Like, I think that you could really pull off some beautiful calming office profesh kind of looks. By the way, the packaging is in the standard type of cardboard packaging. It does have raised like the name right through here. Real pretty. There's the back of it, and there is a mirror in here as well, and it's a good size mirror. It's not one of those like funhouse type of mirrors or anything like that. So like I said, make sure to follow me over on Instagram because I will be creating looks as far as that goes with this, as well as using the Kosas tinted oil. Well, let me go ahead and let you guys know, I forgot to tell you, this is variation 7, and let me give you guys a total of what my box total was. Okay guys, so like I said, as far as the price of this box, it is $35. You do get to customize one item in here, and like I said, the item that I customized was the Kosas Tinted Face Oil, which has the retail value of $42. So I've already made my $35 back as far as that goes. And everything that you guys see, like I said, the Murad Hydration Toner, the go-to exfoliating wipes, we've got the Kosas Lip Sport thingy. We've got a lot of stuff going on here. Everything came to $194. So my thoughts on this box. Is it my favoriteest premium box I've ever received? No, I'll be real with you guys. It's not my favorite, but there are really a lot of things in here that have me excited to play around with. Such, you know, like I said, the Kosas face oil. This is one that I remember when it came out, a lot of you guys were asking me to review, and at the time I feel like I wasn't wearing like I was going for more of like a lot of foundation on my face versus like embracing my skin type of thing, and I'm at the point now where I'm fine. I love my skin, so I'm okay with trying this out, and the fact that I got it in this $35 box, I'm really excited about. Like I said, Brett has gone over and over again talking about how excited he was about this Murad product to be in the box and how good this product is. So I'm always happy about that because, as we know, Murad is a great skincare line, and it is a bit on the pricey side, and I've told you guys repeatedly, when I pick it up, I only pick up the cleansers and stuff when it's on sale. So I'm happy to see it in our box. I do use exfoliating wipes. Like right now I have my First Aid Beauty ones open for nighttime after I've taken off my makeup, and then I have my Nassif ones in the morning that I use that are AHA, BHA type of exfoliating wipes. So I'm always down for some of these, and of course you guys know my love for eyeshadows, and of course I'm excited to play with this. I think that this is a really pretty palette. I like the pastels in here, so I'm excited to play around with it. It kind of low-key reminds me a little bit of the e.l.f. retro palette. The more I look at it, I think what's doing it is these pastel shades in here. But anyways, I'm excited to play around with that. My only honest were these items right here, so I don't think that that's too shabby. The other 4 items I'm pretty excited to play around with. So anyways guys, that is my thoughts on my premium. Don't think it's a bad box, not my favorite, but definitely worth the $35 as far as that goes. Like I said, choice opened up on October 12th for premium and base, and I know a lot of you guys were like, what did you end up going with? Y'all, I went with the Benefit Gimme Brow. I went with shade 1 for my base box, and for my premium box I ended up going with the Smashbox setting powder. However, I went to go back and get the Illamasqua palette, and you guys, it was sold out. It sold out in like 1.2 seconds, and a lot of you guys said for your premium choice you ended up going with the Illamasqua, and I'm like, gosh darn it to heck, which I was so annoyed because had I had checked, I could have just got the powder for $12 in add-ons and got the palette. I did not think it through. I didn't, but I'm not mad about it because you guys knew I wanted to try the Smashbox powder. It's talc free and all of that, so I'm gonna be coming back. I'll be unboxing it next month for you guys. Add-ons, I don't know, it may still be open by the time this video goes up. They're really good about putting new things in add-ons every day as well, so I'm gonna go back and check it out. So did I already place an order? I did. Did I almost place a second order? Yes, but I haven't. So by the time this video goes up, God only knows how many orders I have placed. Anyways, if you guys are interested in signing up for Boxycharm, you're interested in getting a base box, premium box, whatever it may be, I'll have my link down in my description box down below for you guys, as well as in the comment section. Any coupon codes that are available, you know your girl is going to put it there for you guys. Like I told you guys, there is a giveaway going on our channel right now. It's our 30K giveaway, so thank you guys so much for subscribing and sticking around. It's super easy to enter into that giveaway. I will leave the video for you guys listed down below. Don't forget to follow me over on Instagram and TikTok. Check out my second channel, and until next time, friends, as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye, guys.